As an educator, your time is precious. That's why you need a seamless solution to share course materials with your students. This is where Integrate Google Drive and Tutor LMS comes in. Integrate Google Drive's Tutor LMS integration allow instructors to share course materials from their own Google Drive account to Tutor LMS platform. Not only that, multi-instructors functionality allow different instructors to connect their own Google account separately. To enable Tutor LMS integration, navigate to Google Drive from WordPress Admin Dashboard, Settings, Integrations, enable Tutor LMS integration, save changes. Navigate to Tutor LMS Settings, General tab, enable Marketplace. Navigate to Course tab, tick Google Drive as preferred video source, save changes. To connect instructor's Google account, navigate to Instructor's Dashboard, Settings, Google Drive, connect preferred Google Drive account. To create a course as an instructor, navigate to Instructor's Dashboard, click on New Course button. Instructors can now set up course details as per requirement. From the intro video section, click on Add from URL, select Google Drive. From drop-down selection, click on Select from Google Drive button, select Google Drive Video. From video type, select Embed or Direct Media. Embed will play the video through Google Drive's native embed player, and Direct Media will play the video through Tutor LMS native player, save changes. From Curriculum tab, click Add Topic button, enter title, summary, click OK, add lesson, enter lesson name, and other lesson details. From the video section, click on Add from URL, select Google Drive. From drop-down selection, click on Select from Google Drive button, select Google Drive Video, save changes. Upload attachment if required, and publish the course. Instructor has successfully published Google Drive hosted course content via Tutor LMS platform.